In this video, I'll guide you through how to create breakout rooms for Google Meet. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to set them up and what to keep in mind before you start. First, a really important note before you try this. Breakout rooms in Google Meet are not available to every account. They're only offered on select organizational or premium plans. So if you don't see the breakout rooms option during your meeting, it may be because your account type doesn't include this feature. If you're using a work or school account, you might want to check with your administrator to confirm whether breakout rooms are enabled. Now, let's assume you're in an eligible account and already inside a Google Meet session. To begin creating breakout rooms, move your mouse to bring up the meeting controls and look for the activities icon. This is usually found in the lower right corner of the screen. It looks like a small shape or cluster of shapes, depending on the current interface design. Go ahead and click that Activities button. When you click Activities, a side panel opens on the right-hand side of your screen. This panel is where Google Meet groups together extra features beyond the basic video and audio controls. In this panel, you'll see several options, and one of them will be labeled Breakout Rooms. Click on Breakout Rooms to open the setup area. Once you select Breakout Rooms, you'll see a layout that lets you configure how you want your rooms to work. The first thing you'll choose is the number of rooms you want. There's usually a simple control, such as plus and minus buttons or a drop-down to increase or decrease the number of rooms. Think ahead about how many small groups you need. For example, if you have a larger meeting and want groups of 4 or 5 people, adjust the room count until it matches the size and structure you have in mind. You can always tweak this before you open the rooms, so don't worry if it's not perfect at first. Next, you'll assign participants to each room. You'll see a list of everyone currently in the meeting, along with boxes or sections representing each breakout room. At this point, you can either let Google Meet randomly distribute participants, or you can drag and drop people into specific rooms. Manual assignment gives you more control if you need to group certain people together, such as team members working on the same project or students at a similar level. Take a moment to check that each room has the right number of people and that no one is left unassigned. If someone joins the meeting late, you'll be able to come back to this panel and assign them to a room as well. Just remember that changes only take effect once rooms are open, so it's usually best to finalize your groups before you move on. When you're happy with the number of rooms and the participant assignments, you're ready for the last step. Look for the button labeled Open Rooms and click it. This action sends participants from the main meeting into their assigned breakout rooms. As the organizer, you'll usually have options to join individual rooms, move people between rooms, or close all rooms when you're ready to bring everyone back to the main meeting. That's all there is to it. By clicking Activities, choosing breakout rooms, selecting the number of rooms, assigning your participants, and then opening the rooms, you can run more focused interactive sessions in Google Meet. As long as your organization's account supports this premium feature,